In today's connected world, our kids are learning, playing, and socializing online. But as parents, it's natural to worry about screen time, access to inappropriate content, and those late-night gaming sessions. Let's walk through how to set up parental controls in TP-Link XC220 G3V Fiber ONT within just a few minutes. Let's get started. Step 1. Connection with ONT using Wi-Fi or wired. Use LAN cable from TP-Link ONT Ethernet port to PC or laptop, or use Wi-Fi to connect from mobile or laptop. Step 2. Login settings from web browser. Open any web browser and access tplinkmodem.net or 192.168.1.1. Use admin login password to access settings. Step 3. Enable parental control. Now go to Advanced tab from top menu. Then go to Parental Control Settings from left side menu. Now, let's create a profile for your child. Give a name to Profile. Press Add Device button to add your kid's device from Connected List. Press Next button, and you will see predefined filter level for different age of kids. You can select filter level as per your kid's age. Or you can also manually add specific URL or app's name from Add a New Keyword options. After selecting filter level, press Next button. Setting time restrictions, bedtime and study time. Select weekdays from the list you want to apply filtering. Now set time limit for weekdays and weekend for internet access. Also select bedtime limit for weekdays and weekends. After set bedtime limit for weekdays and weekend, press Save button to apply settings. Now we have our set of rules. Here you'll see a list of all the devices that you added in parental control filtering. To test it, try accessing a blocked website from your child device, or try using it outside the allowed hours. You should see a block page, meaning your rules are working perfectly. With these tools, you can manage screen time, encourage healthy habits, and protect your kids from harmful content, all from your router settings. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.